Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna do this little video just to show you the basic items I carry for a Bushcraft EDC type carry, and all that fits in this little small bag that it's just good for a day hike. I can't get a whole lot of stuff in it, but these are basic items that I carry, and I'll kind of go over a few of these items with you. But what I'll show you after I go over some of this stuff right down here is how all this fits in that bag, and that includes this tarp down here. So we have two simple water bottles, which are just the Gatorade sport drinks bottles, emptied out. We have a regular knife, more knife with fire starter and duct tape, and a leather sheath. The striker and some jute twine right here. Some toilet paper, a simple stainless steel cup with the lid. And then we got a flashlight, fat wood, electrical tape, two waterproof containers. One was matches and one's got cotton balls in it. And I got another ferro rod with a handle. And then I got some Ranger bands with a tin that I can make char cloth or punk wood and stuff in. Now I got just a knife sharpener and the oil, and there's a, see it, there's a small big lighter right here, and just something to snack on. A lot of people don't carry Ranger bands, and a lot of them in their kits, but they come in handy a lot. And then up here on the bag, I got some fat wood on a carabiner. And all this right here, all these items, that's just for my little camera bag. All this stuff fits in this little bag right here, which is the Red Rock sling bag. You can fit just a little bit more than this, depending on how compact it is and how you can get it in there. Let's see, get this camera. I wanted to show you this. These two match containers. I put Ranger bands on mine now, on the top lid to the bottom, so it's secure. That cap never twists off riding around inside a bag. It's just a extra little insurance policy on these things. And then here there's the stormproof matches with a little striker pad down there. And I put a piece of cotton ball right here in the lid to keep this from rubbing against the lid. And then here is the cotton balls with Vaseline. I got a piece of paracord. It goes all the way down here, and it's got like a little plastic stop down here I cut off from a regular plastic bottle cap, Coke bottle or whatever, so I can pull it out. And these items right here are basic fire items that I keep in one pocket. Alright, that's my basic EDC items for Bushcraft for like a day hike. And I'll put this all in the bag and let you see how it all fits in there. Alright, we'll just pack all this in here. I'll show you how it fits in here. The only thing I'm not going to pack in here right now is the tarp, because I usually put it right in here. But I'll show you. Get the 2 water bottles in. I'll take my cup. Got the smaller one, so it fits down in there. And I'll take my lid and I'll put it down that little pocket right there. That's all I can put basically in here. Sometimes I'll fill this all up with food right here. But these also have a little bag right here. And that's usually where I put my paracord in. Good bit of paracord. As you can see, just with all that in there, there's still enough space that I can put a small tarp in. And right here in this top pouch, it's where I'll take my Ranger bands. And I'll put that there. Big lighter in my ferro rod right in that little pouch, and I'll put the 2 match containers, the magnesium bar and striker, my other little ferro rod, little pieces of fat wood and stuff. I mean, you can organize it a little better, but you get the general idea. And that's all I put in that little pouch, just everything that's fire related. And down here, got another large pouch, which is just separated by a small liner from this pocket. And I just got a little bit of some gauze and a spoon in there. And in that, I usually put my knife sharpener, electrical tape, sharpening oil, flashlight, and that stays right in there. I can also put my toilet paper in here. And that's kind of the whole bag packed without the tarp in it. And on the back here, have a little pull-out pouch. And that's usually where I just stick like little common items like a knife or something like that. So that's kind of just a basic little bag that I carry just for a little day hike. This is just the simple EDC items for bushcraft that I carry with me. And with that tarp and the water, I can stuff a little bit more food up here in these pouches or right here in this back one. And that kind of gives me the base items that I need. And all this together is probably about maybe about 5 pounds or a little bit more. Just all this stuff in it. And the water weighs the most. So, hope you liked the video and see how you can pack small items in a bag, and just the simple cheap stuff that always works best. Instead of spending a lot of money on these real expensive stuff, you can do it with stuff you find around your regular stores, you pick up here along the way. Alright, have a good one.